welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the latest handbag that I got from Louis Vuitton. I have been on the hunt for a spring handbag and I wasn't even planning on getting this bag, but right when I saw it, I was like, give it to me, sold. I need it in my life because I knew it was hard to find and it's perfect for spring and summer coming up. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. I will show you a comparison with the other bag that I have because they are a little bit different even though they're the same handbag. So kind of interesting, but yeah, let's just open this baby up. I have used this, you guys, so this isn't like a complete unboxing. I just couldn't help myself, but for YouTube, this is new. Let's open her up. This is the dust bag. And oh, she's so cute, you guys. Here she is. This is the Pochette accessories. I don't really know how to say it. It's something fancy, but this is her in the Damier Azur canvas, and I am obsessed, you guys. She is so cute, and I'm not even gonna lie. I used to think this print, the Damier Azur canvas, was kind of like old lady-ish, but I went to Pinterest and looked at a lot of people that have stuff in this print, and I was like, you know what? It's not old lady. And I actually told that to the CA inside of Louis Vuitton that was helping me, and she's all like, actually the Damier Azur print is the first canvas and print that Louis Vuitton ever came out with, and then the Monogram was the second. So I was like, oh, okay, like, that's pretty cool. So it made me like it even more. And like I said, I do have this bag in the Monogram print and I love it. I use it every single day. This is the inside. It's really roomy and you get a little pocket right here. It zips like this. And then you just have this strap right here. I actually like this strap a lot. At first, I didn't really like it on my Monogram bag. But what I've been doing is I take off the one clasp right here because this side doesn't come off, and then I clip this right here, and then I just use this like a little wristlet, and it even is big enough to go around your arm right there. So I wear it a bunch of different ways and I love it, you guys. She is just so cute. And I'm gonna show you guys a comparison to the Monogram one. So let me run and go get that. It's in the living room. Okay, here is my baby. I use this every single day. I have all my stuff in it right now, but I love this bag. And let me put them side by side, but let me fix this strap first. So here they both are. It's pretty crazy to see the patina going on already on my Monogram one, but I'll show you guys up close. So this is the new one. This is my old one. And I don't know, I love how this one is aging and just the color that it's getting. I can't wait for this one to get like that. And at first, I did not like that look on Louis Vuittons, but now, I don't know, it just makes it look like, oh, okay, just almost like vintagey to me, and the straps get a lot softer the more you use them. And yeah, I just love this style of bag. I wish it was more readily available for people to get because, like I said, this is the bag that I use all the time. And I wanna kind of show you guys because there is a little bit of a difference. I feel like this one is bigger. Let me show you. So this is them side by side, and as you can tell, the Damier Azur is a little bit bigger than the Monogram. I don't know if that's because it's older or what, and they just made the new ones bigger, but it is a lot bigger and taller. And you can really tell when you go like this, you can see that it's quite a bit bigger than the Monogram print. And I heard that the strap is longer, but they're the same size. The straps are the same size. It's just that the Damier Azur is a little bit bigger. And again, I think that's probably because it's newer, I'm not sure. And the gold hardware on the Damier Azur is a lot shinier. And I thought it was because my bag was old, but I had this bag on me when I bought this one, and I was like, oh, is it just because the monogram's older that it's not as shiny as this one? And she's like, no, that's just how they make them. So the monogram is a little more like patinaed, I guess, or just a muted gold, not as shiny. I'll show you up close. So you see how this one, this little clasp is a lot shinier and brighter than the monogram. So that is another difference. Inside is the same, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, insides are the same. Pocket size is the same, just the monogram is a little bit darker inside than the Damier Azur. Both of these little parts right here say Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. I think they all say that. I think one time I said that about one of my bags and people are like, they all say that, but I don't know. I'm not like a Louis Vuitton expert by any means. And I feel like on the monogram, it's more structured at the bottom. This actually has stuff in it, so you would think that it would be a little bit like caved in, but look at the Damier Azur. You see how it just kind of is rounder at the bottom? So it's a little bit like looser is the only word I can to describe it. So it's not as structured. Oh, what do I have on this one? I told you I use this all the time. Yeah, so it's just kind of more like roundish and not as structured as the monogram one. Maybe you can tell side by side like this. Yeah, I am obsessed with this bag. I love it so much. I will link the video a bunch of times throughout this video on how I was able to get this one. I'm so happy that I made that video because a few of you guys have left comments saying that you used my method to try to get this bag and you got it, and I feel like this is just a great everyday bag, and it's little but not too little. You could fit so much inside of it, so that's why I had to get this one. And again, I will link that video because if you guys are interested in this one, it is always sold out on the website. So try my method that I used in my video. I will put a little ad card right up here. Try that method. If not, go into a Louis Vuitton store. Like I said, I wasn't even planning on getting this bag, but right when I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. It's pretty affordable for Louis Vuitton. It's under $800. I use the monogram one all the time. I think it's the perfect size. You could fit so much in it. I think the Damier Azur goes with so many outfits during the spring and summertime. Even when I'm wearing black, I feel like it still kind of goes, not as much, but it's more just like for brighter, neutral, just summer, spring clothes. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about the Pochette accessories in the Damier Azur canvas. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.